California's high housing costs are due to decades of limited residential development. Converting commercial properties to residential ones is seen as a solution to create more housing. State legislature introduced bills to ease restrictions on such land conversions. Only a small increase in housing is expected from commercial land under current policies. About 38,000 homes were built on commercial land in 4 major metro areas from 2014 to 2019. Los Angeles region saw significant conversions, contributing to 13.8% of its housing growth. San Francisco Bay Area had about 9,300 homes built on commercial land, accounting for 8.5% of growth. Conversions are more common near city centers and with older buildings. E-commerce and remote work trends are making some commercial properties good candidates for housing. Statewide standards for conversions are being considered by the legislature. Only a small fraction of the state's housing goals can be met through commercial land conversions. The most conversions are in areas where local codes explicitly allow them. Local jurisdictions should reform commercial zoning to permit residential development. Even with reforms, commercial conversions alone won't meet housing supply needs. A multifaceted approach, including densification and affordable housing support, is needed to meet California's housing goals.